Hey, Heath. Hey, Heath. Heath. Whoa. Mommy will get it. Ah! Uh-oh. No, no, don't grab. Can you reach and get it? Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, big boy, look at you. Heath, can you say bye-bye? Heath. Thank you, Rowan. It's probably not the safest thing, but it's hilarious anyway. Hey, bunny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Say bye-bye. Heath.
Heath? That's Heath?
We want him to turn around and say bye-bye. Move your fingers.
I'm gonna do this.
Oh. Okay, Rowan, you gotta hold it up. Don't. Look in there and say hi.
Hi.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.